Hiya, I hope you're well. Welcome to Keep Us Creative Flow. Just a quick personalised card I wanted to show you. It's my cousin's birthday. She's 21 tomorrow. And we're going to go and see her. So it's not got anything in at the moment. But first of all, let's sign it. So handmade by Keeper. That's me. And then, so it's got a little bit of a peel off there. I was thinking on the front of it, let's use a postage sticker stamp. So let's use the bigger one. It's got happy birthday on it. Try and get it straight, lovely. So if I start with the actual postage bit first, then the rest should fall into place, I'm hoping. Yep. And then we've got a little star right here. Let's press that down, and then we've got these little cute little presents which we can add here. And her name, oh goodness me, sorry you're wobbling so much, you're on the edge of this table. So we're going to write to Gur Sharon Kaur. So Sharon means feet. So, and Gur means guru, which is from darkness to light. So it says the feet of the guru, and the surname Kaur means princess. So that's what her name means, which is so beautiful. So that's the envelope. So next we've got this. So this was from a birthday cake, and I've used a leaf and just some mesh behind and some pretty paper to layer this up, and then some peel off stickers to just create this edge. And then I was thinking of just using her initials, on this bit, because I think it's got quite a feature already of using the leaf and everything. So I was like, let's just add her initials back here. So we've got the G there. Luckily we've got the initials. That's half the trouble, isn't it? And then we've got the K here. I'm just overlap it a touch, and then that's it. So I just do a really quick video just showing a little personalization, and I'll add a message inside as well. Take care for now. Bye.